words on the page.
At. Bubbles. A bubble one.
We gotta read it. What's the first word?
Dad
Then what?
has a
You gotta sound it out.
bubble one.
Did you sound it out?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Look at those sounds. That doesn't say bubble wand. Sound it out.
Dad has a hat.
There. Good job.
Dad,
Put your finger under the word.
Dad has a cat.
Good job.
Now do I turn the page?
Not yet, because look at you still have words on that page. Ooh, that's one of our tricky words.
The
Hmm.
cat has a hat.
Good work.
I want to read this one.
Well, you can't read that page yet. You always have to start on the left. Okay?
That has. What is this word?
Well, you have to look at this word first, because you missed that word.
Bird.
No, what's that word?
A
Mm-hmm.
dog.
Mm-hmm. Put your finger under the next word.
The dog
Has a what?
a hat.
Yeah. Okay.
That
Oh, not dot.
dog
Mm-hmm.
has a rag. What is it?
Well, what was this one? You sounded it out. What word does it make? Sound it out again.
Rag.
What word is that?
Rag.
Rag. Mm-hmm. What's the last one?
What is this one? What is this?
Well, that looks like it's dog's rag something. A rag what?
Rag.
What's the last word? Well, what's that letter? Rag.
A rag hat.
Yeah, good job.
Dogs don't wear rag hats.
No, they don't.
Dog. What is that?
You're right. Oh, the last one? That's a D.
Sad.
why is dog sad?
Cause his rag hat broke.
Oh no.
See? Dog's sad cause his rag hat broke.
Poor dog. Okay. What's the next page say?
Sad. No. I'm just being goofy. I can't read this word.
Yes, you can. You read it on the other page. That's the letter D. That's a lowercase d, remember?
Oh yeah. Sad. That
Mm-hmm.
and sad cat. Why are they sad?
I don't know. Why do you think they might be sad?
Because I don't know.
Well, is dog their friend?
Yeah.
So if dog is sad, do you think they might be sad too?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't want to read anymore.
Are you done for the night?
Yeah, but can I still color
No,
them?
you have to read a few more minutes in order to color in. Go back to the sad cat, sad dog, or sad dot, sad cat page. Now turn the page.
I just want to do 3 more of these pages.
Okay.
And then can I color them?
Yes, then you'll have enough time.
Dog. Has. On. A. Dog. He found an idea to wear his rag hat. He found an idea how to wear his rag hat again.
All
He
right.
tied it back together. Look.
I see. He did.
Dogs don't tie.
No. Okay, what does that say? That's one of your tricky words. No. Look at it. No. When you can't sound up here. Let me cover this one up so you can see just that one. T-H-E.
The.
Yeah. Duh. But that's not an... That E doesn't say A.
The end.
Yeah, good work. Good job, Maisie. You read the whole book.